We're back and we're working on installing this blogging software at wordpress.org up onto our server so we can customize a new blog. So after you've created a database for your website, for your new blog, you're going to need to open this file right here, wp-config.php, and then you're going to need to, or sample, and you're going to change it to without the word sample in it, and then that's where you're going to put in the information about your server. So I'm going to show you where that is. I'm going to show you a couple different ways to do that. So it's where we saved and downloaded the software from WordPress in the very first one, which is right here. We're going to go in here, we're going to find this file, and it's right here, wp-config-sample. Now I have a program called Dreamweaver, and that's for customizing and changing websites. So when I open this file, it's going to open in Dreamweaver. But I'm going to show you also another way to open it. And as you can see up here, it says design, but when I push code, you can see all of the code that you're going to need to change. Now, if you don't have this program or don't have another editing software, no big deal. You can also open it in WordPad, and that is almost always under accessories. So we're going to go into all programs and accessories, which I know is around here somewhere. Here it is, accessories. And we're going to find Notepad, and we're going to open it in here too, just to show you. So we're going to go into back into that same place that I uploaded it, right in here. And we're going to go, we want to see all files, and so we're going to see that it's right here, and we're going to open it, we're going to save it. So you can see that it's in both of them, and what you're going to want to change, what's cool about this software is it really shows you the color, so it's like, okay, this is where I need to put my database name that I just made, my username and password, and the host, which you know, we have a specific host name that my server uses. Sometimes localhost is what you use, and then that's pretty much it. I don't usually mess with either one of those, and you can do an extra security key right here if you want to make it harder for somebody to get into your database, and that's pretty much it. And then we're going to file, and we're going to save as, and we're going to get rid of that word sample, and we're going to put it in the same file and upload it. And the sample one I can actually delete once this has been set up as just a WP config. We can just back up like that and save it, and then this one I can close, and I can delete it in over here. If I want, I can delete that before I upload it onto the server. So we're going to use this because it's the easiest, but it's the same thing here. Here's the same information, and when you go to File and Save As, you want to get rid of the sample, and you want to make sure that you need to change the type. And you need to save it as a PHP file. So I think, let me just try this out. I've never done, or I don't remember exactly how this works. But we're going to say .php. We're going to save it. See, and it wants me to replace it. So yeah, so that's how you would do it. You would just put .php, you would save it, and it would save as your config when you're done and ready to upload. So I'm going to go and do that, put all our passwords in and all that, and then I'll be back to help us upload it onto our server and get us set up so we can start customizing.